Thanks for watching. Today we're going to check out this new kind of revolutionary hitch from Citymons, and they reached out to me and asked if I would take a look at it and just give a quick review. And they are doing a Kickstarter promotion starting on April 10th for this guy. And what I have here is a 2-inch hitch, 2-inch ball. It's a 2-inch drop and a 3/4 rise. They also make a 4-inch drop, or they're planning to. And what's unique about this guy here is it has anti-rattle and it's actually anti-theft, and everything's built in. It's a no-tool install on your hitch or on your receiver, which is super cool. So we're gonna take it outside, install it on my truck, and see how it works out. There's probably nothing more annoying than when you're towing something and you don't have a hitch pin on it or a locking hitch quieter on it. The trailer's constantly rattling. So to have everything built into this hitch itself is actually a really neat concept. Essentially what you have here is you have a key. When you put the key in, if I can get the key to work here, turn it a 1/4 turn, and then spin this knob here to, and I'm not sure, probably won't be able to see that on the video, but by turning the knob, it essentially puts out the pin, which locks the hitch in. You can then remove the key and you have your hitch locked up. No one can steal it. So it's a pretty cool thing. And just to close it out, just obviously go opposite and you're good to go. So let's head out to the truck and we will stick this on there. And I'm actually having to tow my trailer today, so this works out perfect. All right, so we're out here at the truck, and if I didn't mention it earlier, this thing has a 7,500 pound trailer limit and a 750 pound tongue weight on it. So take this guy, slide it in, line up the holes. You can open this little dust cap, 1/4 turn on the key, and now you're ready to spin this guy. You'll see, I don't know if you can catch that on video, but the pin is coming out slowly. And then it starts to get pretty tight here when it's fully out. And now at this point, turn the key back, lock, keys come out, and now we're locked up. And you have this little dust protector on there. And you can see there's no rattle in here with the hitch. And then from this point on, it just acts as any other hitch would. So I got my standard hitch out here to give you, just to kind of show you the difference. So we got to do the cotter pin here. Not going to worry about sticking that on. And this is the hitch quieter. So this kind of goes on, then you need a wrench to tighten these guys up to get it to stay secure. And you can see without a hitch tightener or a hitch quieter, you're going to get that noise all the way down the road when you're towing. So that's what this guy does when you tighten it up. And then again, the advantage of this cool little gadget that they're coming out with is that everything's built in and you have a lock and everything right here. So just a really cool concept, and I think it's a great idea. We'll see how it's perceived by everyone else, but I think it's kind of a good deal. We're going to go ahead and put this back on here, and then I'm going to actually go for a quick ride. And you can see right now it's pretty loud, right? So we're going to get this guy tightened up. So that's it. You can see it doesn't do it anymore. We're going to go 1/4 turn back. Key comes out. Lock that guy up. All right, let's take her for a quick drive with the trailer on there. Got a camera up by the trailer, and there's always some noise from the trailer, but with the hitch quieter on there, it really makes a huge difference. Otherwise, like I said, it's just like if you've done any towing, you know it's just a constant rattle. You can already tell how quiet it is. Because it happens right away when it's on. let's head back home and we'll do a quick conclusion on this guy. All right, guys, so from the last video you could hear that this guy is super quiet when it's fully locked out and pulling a trailer, and the trailer was empty, so it gives it good cause to be very loud when it's being pulled with nothing in it. So it did a great job there. I really like the concept of this, of just toolless install, the hitch tightener or hitch quieter, whatever you like to call it, along with the fact that it's securable and lockable, and it's a pretty quick install. So seems to be a quality piece. Obviously I have no idea about longevity because I just got it, I'm just now using it, but it seems like it's going to be pretty quality. If you want to find out more information about this guy, I'll have a link below for you, and you should be able to take that to learn more about the features of this guy, as well as learning about the quick start. And today is April 10th when this is being released, so it should be active and good to go, so you can find out more about that. If you have any questions, please leave those below. Let me know what you think of it, and we'll see you on the next video.